First Boot, Supermoto!
What is up, Tomodachi? Please do bear with me because this is the first time that we will do unboxing. Yeah, GoPro 8. Before we do the unboxing, I want to introduce myself. My name is Renz Rafael. I call my subscribers Tomodachi. Tomodachi means a Japanese word for a friend, and I am one of the troopa, and the rest is history. So without further ado, mga Tomodachi, let's do this video in 3, 2, 1. Roll that Kalmado intro.
And her goal is not in her. She's a diamond under.
Alright, GoPro weight 12 megapixels, 4K 60, 1080p, 240. So ito yung bago niya, yung Hyper Smooth 2.0, Timer 2.0, live streaming 1080p. So kung nakikita nyo, yan. So ganun pa rin yung base ng pinakabitan ng GoPro 8. Yan. Alright. So ito na po siya, mga Tomodachi. So ang una ko napansin is yung hipitan. Ito, the locks are totally different. So ito yung bago niya. So as you can see, iba ng itsura pag kinumpare natin. So we have here the GoPro 7 and GoPro 5. Here, dito siya minamount. So ito na yung bago ng GoPro 8. So hindi katulad nito GoPro 7 na meron pa siyang casing. Ayan, tulad nito. Para lang makuha mo itong kung saan siya pwede i-mount. So unlike here, dito sa GoPro 8, yun. So i-compare na rin natin siya kung gaano ka siya kalaki ang GoPro 8 at 7. So mas manipis na tong GoPro 8. Here's the GoPro 8. Yan. Hindi katulad dito sa 7 na medyo bulky pa siya tingnan. And dito sa GoPro 8 na to, medyo slim. Alright, and then ay napapansin ko iba na yung lens niya. Yan, so medyo manipis na talaga. Okay, ibang lens ng GoPro 7 and this is the GoPro 8. Okay, kita ba yan? Alright. Accessories na kasama sa box ng GoPro 8. So you have there the GoPro Plus card. Of course, meron din sa box na pwede mawala yan. GoPro stickers. Of course, the manual. May kasama siyang battery. Mounts. And then, of course, the wire. The rest are basura na. Bumili na rin tayo ng battery. Again, this is the wire. Of course, battery. The battery of GoPro 8 and the GoPro 7 are different. You cannot use the battery of GoPro 7 sa GoPro 8. Okay, the charger. Alright. I like the matte color of this. Alright. Tingnan natin. Yun. So, i-charge natin siya para magagamit natin yung GoPro 8. Wala kasi ako nung selfie stick na pwede siya maging tripod. So, we decided na to buy the shorty mini extension pole plus tripod. Alright. Alright. So, wala nang meron sa loob. Ito lang. GoPro, ang laki ng box. Ito lang yung laman do. So, meron tayong tripod plus the GoPro 8. lagay natin dito. Set up na natin yan. Alright. GoPro 8. Nice. Yung. So, nakikita nyo sa battery, kasama na din dito yung Type-C na adapter for the GoPro 8. Dito yung SD card. Yun. Okay. And mga Tomodachi, I have this a guide for the GoPro 8 media modular, and this is the light modular, and this is the display modular. Ito kasing adapter ng GoPro 5, 6, 7. So itong adapter na to, para siyang naging casing na. And so kapag meron na itong modular, itong media modular na ito, pwede ka na bumili ng light. And of course, ito ang napaka-importante, itong modular display na to. Pero hindi pa siya nare-release. I think it will be released soon. It will be a big help for the vlogging setup, you know, para nakikita mo itsura mo, pang ganyan. Our newest camera na gagamitin natin sa mga susunod natin ng vlogs. And please do watch until the end of this video, because we will gonna use this GoPro 8. And I want to do a quick shout out. Shout out to Balbon Vlogs. Binigyan niya ako nito helmet holder made by Hansi. So shout out to Hansi and Balbon Vlogs. And shout out to Mr. Kingsley Ponce from Gifu. Siya magaling na Filipino tattoo artist dyan sa Gifu, sa Miyake yata. I think Miyake yata si Sir. Siya yung nakabili ng ating GoPro HERO 5 Black Edition. So Sir, shout out sa ako. Maraming salamat. Arigatou gozaimasu. And shout out to Thrilla Vanilla Page. And of course, my OMC family, Omicron Gaming, OMC Nix, OMC Teru, OMC Koji, OMC Jmar, OMC AJ. Thank you for always supporting Kalmado Ride. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan, OMC family. This is 1080p, 60 frames per second yung ginagawa nating video. Flex ko lang tong helmet natin, no? This is Shark helmet para sa mga nagtatanong. Ito yung bike na gagamitin natin kung saan tayo nagsimula, ang Honda Zoomer. Right, Honda Zoomer. Yung ating Ninja, ay nga pala, 250cc. Sana okay yung audio natin, mga Tomodachi. So, ano pa ginagawa natin? Let's hit the road, mga Tomodachi. Kunin. Right, Tomara. Kunin, let's go. Up. Hyper smooth, super raw. Smiley, just smile. Zoomer muna tayo, mga Tomodachi, kung saan tayo nagsimula. Kakunin means check. Alright, so Mare, let's go. No, GoPro is okay. Tayo medyo malilim. Perfect sana kung naka trail bike tayo, kaso kung ano lang yung meron, mga Tomodachi. So that was the super wide view. So it's recording. No, record na. So this is the wide view with Hyper Smooth 2.0 boost. Let's go. check, audio check. Right, so pinalitan natin yung angle sa frontal view naman. And this is 1080p, 60 frames per second, super wide view, no boost. Let's go! Right. Woo-hoo! Shark helmet. Grabe sikat ng araw, napakainit. Sana lang okay yung audio natin ngayon. Let's go! Motovlogger! Let's go! Kakunin. Alright. Tomodachi, kung ano yung kakalabasan ng video na to, 1080p 60 frames per second, pero yun lang muna yung gagamitin natin. So hanggang 1080p 60 frames per second, okay na yan. And sana okay din ang audio natin. So I hope my audio is good. Dime. Cooperate! Hyper boost! Right, rolling. Okay, video settings 1080p 60 frames per second, wide view with the boost / hyper smooth 2.0. This will be the last test na gagawin natin, mga Tomodachi. Kakunin, let's go. Goodbye. Let's go. Tomares, kakunin. Check muna bago liko. Wow. Alright. Shout out to Biyahe with Ken, motovlogger from Davao Bay. Ang Pinka Idea, Kamon, taga Mindanao. I pray for your safety. Patricia Alana Bird sa YouTube. Shout out sa'yo, ma'am. And shout out to Ako'y Pinoy 220i2 from China. Okay, shout out sa'yo, bro. Shout out to Ryan Bokekosa. Shout out to motovlog. And shout out to Bike Hobby Yes Joyride Motovlog. And shout out to Christian Teves. So yun, maraming salamat. And sa lahat na magpapa-shoutout, magko-comment ako doon, magpipin ako. Sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout, mag-comment kayo doon sa ipipin kong comment. GoPro ito tayo, good quality, good content, good audio, hopefully. So kung tatanungin nyo ako kung worth it ba to GoPro 8 na to, siguro for some people na gusto mag-vlog, pero kung budget vlogs lang hanap nyo, good quality ang hanap nyo, kung sakto lang yung pera nyo, budget lang, so I will go for GoPro 7. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. Peace, love, Kalmado ride, ciao.